The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario starts at around $380,000 in the United States, and most builds go well beyond that with customization. At first look, it clearly replaces the Huracan, but the shape feels more modern. The front keeps Lamborghini's sharp style with slim lights and aggressive lines, while the body looks smoother compared to older models. Looking closer, the details are where the design stands out. The front has a sharp, layered look with large air intakes. Along the sides, the body is sculpted to guide airflow without adding extra pieces. The rear is tight and compact with a strong stance and clean lighting design. Inside, the Temerario feels more advanced than the Huracan it replaces. You get three screens, one for the driver, one in the center, and one for the passenger. The layout is still focused on the driver, but now the passenger can also see performance data and controls. The steering wheel has multiple controls built into it, which can take some time to get used to, but everything is within reach.